हेलो स्टूडेंट, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। कैसे आप सभी? आई होप यू ऑल आर गुड। ओके, नाउ टुडे क्लास 12 स्टैंडर्ड एंड सब्जेक्ट अकाउंट। ओके, एंड चैप्टर नंबर 1 इंट्रोडक्शन टू पार्टनरशिप। अब तक तो आपको नाम भी याद हो गया होगा। ओके, नाउ हियर वी आर सॉल्विंग द प्रॉब्लम illustration in example of 13. Now in this solution we prepare profit and loss appropriation account, but in this solution it is mentioned here to prepare fixed capital method according to. Okay, we preparing partners capital account and partners current account according to the fixed capital method, and here some points are changing in this solution. Now we are solving, and here it is same example given in the exercise. Then when I am solving the exercise, then I am just solve the main points only. Then the same entry are do by yourself. Okay, now here discussion about the question. It means example number 13. Okay, now I am reading about the illustration number 13. So now illustration number 13, Sudhanshu and Sarvesh are partner of a firm. Okay, the profit loss sharing ratio is 3:2. The capital of partners is on 1/4/2016 was rupees 90,000. Okay, so here it is given partners as a total amount, not given as a particular individual. Okay, so capital of partner is in the proportion of 5 and 4. Okay, so we are distributing this 5 and 4 into this proportion rate, capital proportion rate, not in the profit and loss 3:2. Okay, we distributing capital in a 5 and 4. Okay, now here Sudhanshu and Sarvesh withdraw the capital 6,000 rupees on 1/7/2016. Okay, and 4,000 as on 1/10/2016. So when we are charged interest on drawing 6,000 for 9 months here. Okay, so here September जुलाई से लेंगे हम लोग, जुलाई अगस्त September October November December January February and March, because they introducing the capital and starting the business 1/4/2016 and ending in 31/3/2017. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now for service we are charged 4,000, but as a 6 month only, because he drawing capital on 1/10/2016. So 10, 11, 12 and 1, 2, 3. So 6 month here only. Okay, we are charged. Now here there is a provision of partnership deed to pay interest on capital 8% and charge interest on drawing 12%. Okay, per annum. Okay, so here when we charge drawing, so 6,000 into 12% into 9/12, because this 12% is a per annum for whole the year, so 9/12, and 4,000 into 12% into 6/12, because this 12% is a per annum. Okay, now 1/4/2016 balance in current account of partners 3,000 credit balance and 2,000 is debit balance respectively for Sudhanshu and Sarvesh. Means Sudhanshu का credit balance है as a current account 3,000 and Sarvesh का 2,000. Okay, I hope this is clear to all of you. Now here Sudhanshu is to paid, here interest on 6% on opening balance of current account is to be calculated. Now here the opening current account credit balance of Sudhanshu, it is income for the Sudhanshu and expense for the business, because business pay the interest on current account. But here the debit balance of Sarvesh, So that here interest on current account, it is income for the business and expense for the service, because here service pay the interest on current account because of current balance or in debit side. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now here Sudhanshu is to be paid 5% on commission on profit after deduction. We are seeing the previous lecture and some example of in commission before profit and after profit deduction. So here whatever the amount of profit we calculate, if suppose profit is 10,000. So in this 10,000 profit plus commission. So 10,000 into 5 upon 105. I hope this is clear to all of you and you remember it. Okay. Now before consideration of the above mentioned adjustment, profit of the firm for the year ending on 31/3/2016. So this is 2017, 37,770. So this is profit come from the profit and loss account. Okay, now here from this prepare of now this information, prepare profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital and current account. But here is in this drawing, it is not mentioned as a permanent drawing. Okay, they are not capital withdraw as a permanent. So this drawing amount gone in the partners current account. I hope this is clear about the illustration number 13. Now we are solving it. Okay. Now here in illustration number 13, it is said that Sudhanshu and Sarvesh are partner and their profit and loss 3/2. Okay, the capital of partner, they introduced 1/4/2016 90,000. Okay, so it is a fixed and it is a total capital of the firm. Okay, so here it is a permanent. Fixed capital means it is a permanent. So we are showing in the partners capital account. So first of all we distribute 90,000 in according to the capital ratio 5/4. Okay, so here for Sudhanshu and Sarvesh, capital is 90,000, 5/9. So 50,000 for Sudhanshu and Sarvesh, 90,000, 4/9. So 40,000 is capital introduced by Sarvesh. Okay, so here the year starting is 1/4/2016. Okay, 1/4/2016 by capital. So here it is a balance. Okay, 50,000 and 40,000. Okay, now here in the next point is Sudhanshu and Sarvesh drawing capital 6,000 and 4,000. But here it is not mentioned, it is a permanent. Okay, so here we are drawing of this entry in the partners current account. If it is mentioned here as a permanent, so we are written in the partners capital account. Okay, so here 6,000 and 4,000. But here in this partners, there both the date are changed. 1/7/2016 and 1/10/2016 to drawing account. Okay, so Sarvesh 6,000 and Sudhanshu 6,000 and Sarvesh 4,000. Okay, I hope this is clear to all of you. Now here there is a provision in the partnership deed to pay interest on capital 8% and charge interest on drawing 12%. So here we are charging capital. I am wrote this solution because of some shortage of the space. So Sudhanshu 50,000 multiplied by 8%. So here it is 4,000 introduced as a capital of the interest. So here service 40,000 multiplied by 8%. So here 3,200 is interest on capital. So it is an income for partner and expenses for the business. And interest on capital is not permanent. So we are written in the partner's current account. Okay. Now here at the end of the month 31,370. Okay. So here by interest on capital for Sudhanshu 4,000 and service 3,200. Okay. Now here second is interest on drawing 12% charge in the business. Okay. So interest on drawing service and Sudhanshu and service. Now here 6,000 and 4,000. So 6,000 is 12%, 720 and for 9 months upon 12 because it is introduced, it is a withdraw capital 17. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. So it is 9 months. Okay. So here is answer is 540. Okay. And for service 4,000 and 12% and 6 months. Okay. Divided by 12. So 10, 11, 12, 3 months. 1, 2, 3, 3 months. So 6 months here. So 240. Introduce interest on drawing. So it is charged in the 31/3/2016. Okay. Now here interest on drawing account. Okay. So here 540 and 240. Now here by interest on capital is income for partner and expenses for the business. So interest on capital. How much amount? 4,000 and 3,000. That is 7,000. And by interest on drawing. How much amount here? Service and Sudhanshu and service 540 and 240. Okay. So here 780 is interest on drawing we are charged from the partners. Okay. Now here what is said that on 1/4/2016 balance account of partner current account credit side of Sudhanshu. Okay. And debit side of balance of current account 2,000 for service. So okay. Now here by 1/4/2016 to current account. So it is balance BD Sudhanshu. So Sudhanshu amount is 3,000. Okay. And here in above here 1/4/2016 I am not written here. So it is I am written in here 1/2016 to balance BD. It is debit balance of service 2,000. ओके. ये जो है वो सीक्वेंस में होनी चाहिए. मैंने यहाँ पे ऊपर नहीं लिखा बट आपको ये ऊपर लिखना है. ठीक है. 1, 4, 1, 7, 1, 10, 31, 3 इस तरह से सीक्वेंस में डेट वाइज होना चाहिए. Now here what is said that 6% interest on charge on opening of current account. So it is introduced current account 1/4. So we are charged 12 month of. Okay, for 6 months. So here amount is 3,000 and 2,000 and percentage is 6%. Okay. So here 6% and 6%. So here 180 and here 120. But it is gone in credit side and it is gone in debit side. Because the balance of current account, it is no, either debit or either credit. Okay. So here Sudhanshu is a credit balance. So here it is income for the Sudhanshu. So here firm to pay interest on current account of Sudhanshu. So interest on current account. Okay. So here 180 and 31 316. It is here it is debit balance of service. So it is here service pay as interest on current account to firm. Okay. So here to interest on current account. How much amount? 120. Okay. I hope this is clear. Now here it is income for partners. So it is expenses for business. So interest on current account 180 of Sudhanshu. Okay. By interest on current account of service 120. Okay. I hope this is clear to all of you. Now here what is said that Sudhanshu to be paid 5% commission on profit deduction of his commission from profit. So here what is whatever the entry of whatever the difference of the profit, उसमें क्या होगा, प्रॉफिट प्लस कमीशन होगा. तो हम क्या करेंगे 5/105. ओके. सो हियर बिफोर कंसिडरेशन द अबाउ मेंशन एडजस्टमेंट, प्रॉफिट ऑफ द फर्म for the year ending on 31/3/2017 is rupees 37,770. Okay, so here I am writing down the profit. It is net profit come from the profit and loss account. So here net profit is 37,770. Okay, now here the total of this credit side and debit side, you can see the credit side is more than the debit side. Okay, so here so here it's 38,670 is total. Okay, now here it is divisible profit come, but in this divisible profit plus commission. So here if you are doing total and the divisible profit of it 31,290. Okay, so here commission of Sudhanshu. Okay, 31,290 is equal to 105. Okay, so here 100 is the divisible profit and 5 is commission. So for 5 commission is what? So it is answer is 1,490. Okay, you can written like this also, 31,290 into 5/105. Okay, so it is here commission is expenses of the business and income for the Sudhanshu. So to commission किसको दे रहे हैं हम लोग? सुधांशु को. So यहाँ पे 101,490 and 31 by commission So 29,800. It is a divisible profit for the business and we distribute among the partners. Okay, and the ratio is given here 3:2. Okay, so here divisible profit to balance carry forward in a partner's current account, not a capital account. So here partner's capital account. Okay, so here Sudhanshu and Sarvesh, the ratio is 3:2. Okay, so here we are distributing in a 3:2 17,880. I hope you know very well about how to distribute the profit and loss distribution. And 11,920 is for service. So we are transferring it to partners current account. Okay, in 31. Okay, so this is by profit and loss appropriation account. Why? It is a divisible profit. The mention here is a divisible profit. Amount is 17,880 and 11,920. Okay, I hope this is clear to all of you. So here now we are closing these entries. Okay, and we know about the how to this is the close of the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, and we are transferring into the partner's current account. Now we are closing this amount here. It is not introduced additional permanent capital. If it is introduced additional permanent capital account, so we are written down here and then we are merging these two entries and here the total come and this capital transfer into the balance sheet in a liability side as a capital of the firm. Okay, capital of the partners. So 31/3/2016. The total is 50,000 and 40,000. 50 and 40. Here not other any drawing as a permanent. Okay, so here to balance carry forward. Okay, as of 50,000 and as 40,000. Okay, I hope this is clear to all of you. Now we are closing this account, partners current account. So here partners current account 26,550 for the Sudhanshu. Okay, 26,550. So here we are reducing this to amount 6,540. The answer is 20,010. Okay, so 31/3/2016 to balance carry forward in a balance sheet in a liability side. Okay, so here 20,010. Okay, so it is a current balance of the partner Sudhanshu. Now here we are totaling of this surveys the 15,120 answer. Okay, now we are reducing this amount on 15,120. The answer is 8,760. So we are transferring this amount in a balance sheet. Okay, now here you can see the balance of service in a debit side in the previous year. We are coming from in this year, but you are now see this service account of current account. It is a now credit balance. Okay, now we are transferring into this next year. It is a credit balance here. Okay, so it is changeable in a debit side, in a credit side, in a partner's current account. Okay, I hope this all the procedure and this how to solve this type of entries. Now you are clear more about it. Now in the next questions and illustration, if कोई भी अगर सेम एंट्री होगी मैं उसे सॉल्व नहीं करूँगी, जो न्यू एंट्री होगी उसे ही मैं आपको बताऊंगी। तो जो एंट्री रिमेनिंग रहेगी वो आपको खुद को करनी है, क्योंकि जब तक आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे तब तक आपको ये अकाउंट्स नहीं समझ में आएंगे। ओके, तो जहाँ पे कुछ न्यू एंट्रीज होगी, कुछ ट्विस्ट होगा, मैं उसे सॉल्व करूँगी। जो सेम होगा वो आपको खुद को करना है, ताकि आप प्रैक्टिस ज़्यादा कर पाएँ और आपको जल्दी से जल्दी समझ में आए। ओके, आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू एंड रिटन डाउन दिस notes. Okay, thank you so much.